Welcome to part 3, the anchor element. So the anchor element is used to create hyperlinks with the A tag. Let's drop down here into the cell and create this anchor element, which has both opening and closing tags. So here we go, it uses the A tag. The content can be any text. So let's go ahead and create a link to my coronavirus forecasting dashboard. So here it is. Now this will not link to anything. We've not provided any URL to go to, and if we execute this, it does render something, but notice that it's not underlined like a typical link and there's no little arrow to click on. So in order to make it an actual hyperlink, we have to provide it the URL to go to, and we do this with the href attribute. So attributes in HTML are set as just the name of the attribute with an equal sign followed by quotes. So the value of the attribute goes inside of the quotes. And here we'll just provide it the URL to the forecasting dashboard like this. So this will make a complete anchor element. And then when we execute it, you can see that it is underlined. And if we hover over it, it'll turn into a little clickable little hand that you're used to seeing. It will turn a different color based on whether or not we visited the link before. So if we click on this, it will actually go to the website, and this is one issue with these HTML cells. They don't necessarily render the best. But anyway, so it has gone to it and has displayed the result here in the cell. Now, what we can do here, we can use another attribute called target, which will open up the link in a separate tab. So let's go ahead and do that. So say target, that's a separate attribute, and attributes are not separated by commas like they are in Python, but just by a space. So I'm going to use the equal sign again, and then if we set it equal to underscore blank, then it will now open up in a separate tab of whatever your current browser is. So now I've just re-rendered this cell and I'm back to the link, and if I click on it, it'll just open up in a separate browser tab like this. Okay, so that's it for creating the anchor element, which uses opening and closing tags and uses the attributes href for the underlying URL. And then if you want to open up in a different tab, you can set the target attribute as well.